Welcome back to Freebase Studio. Today we have got something truly special for you guys. I have brought you the secret ingredient to elevate your holiday parties and festivals. Well, our star of the show today is the LED RGB waterfall string light with USB power supply. This beauty is perfect for holiday, Christmas parties, and garden decorations. Let's take a closer look at its specs. Its length 2.8 meters and 9 lines are there. 350 LED lights will blink. IP55 waterproof rating. Power supply by USB and 4.5 volts input. Plastic made, copper wire and LEDs. And you can operate this one with application control, also manual switch. You can hang the waterfall string lights on a tree or under the eaves, creating a mesmerizing effect with 9 rows of 350 LED lights on the ground. When powered on, it's like twinkling stars in the night sky, guys. It's like a showstopper for your holiday outdoor decorations. Comes with an app control feature, allowing you to switch between various working modes from combination of wave sequence, slow light chasing light, slow fade, twinkle, and steady, also dancing with music. IP55 waterproof, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, and make an excellent New Year gift for your loved ones. Safe to touch, just hang the big star, and with the included aluminum hook fixed in the ground, and also they are wind resistant. This is the perfect blend of festive spirit and cutting edge technology with app control, vibrant colors, and a weather resistant design. It's time to elevate your holiday decorations. The purchase link in the description below. If you like, you can check it out. So we will move to the second one. Wireless closet LED light, made of plastic, lightweight, easy to carry anywhere. Open the back and insert 3 AAA batteries to power the LED. It will produce the rainbow effect colors, guys. Looks great. 3M sticker in the back, easy to stick anywhere and illuminate any darks in the kitchen, bathroom, corridor, wardrobe, whatever you name it. Bright enough to get instant colorful LED light anywhere. Purchase link given in the description below. Laser star light for kids' room ceilings, bedroom ceilings, car ceilings, and house colorful interiors and exteriors, guys. We purchased 3 colors: red, blue, and green. You can power this with power bank, computer, laptop, anything like that. Power is mostly stable, no issues we found in it. You can rotate the LED head for your desired mode. Combine of these 3 colors giving a very good effect, guys. You have to purchase based on your color requirements separately. It's not coming with multicolor options. Colors are bright enough to create mesmerizing star interiors wherever you need it. It's really beautiful at night, and for the price, it's fantastic. And for safety information, the laser light is very powerful, so avoid looking straight into it. Fourth one is 3-in-1 keychain flashlight, guys. It has a bottle opener, keychain handle, and a powerful LED flashlight also. It's a simple design, charging port and the switch covered with rubber to prevent water inlets. On the back there is a good magnet to attach any metal surface to hands-free work. Also 180-degree rotatable handle to placing the lamp anywhere with ease. With the keychain hook, you can hang the lamp anywhere you want it. Also, you can mount this with tripod as well. So no worry about placing the lamp anywhere and any weather conditions. It has 3 modes of lighting. First one is powerful LED. Its brightness enough to deal with any darkness, and low brightness mode to save the battery, and also flashlight for emergency situations. It's sold as single piece, also 10 pieces set as well. We brought the 10 pieces set, guys. The best part is it's rechargeable with Type-C cable. cable is provided in the brand, and it will take 1.5 hours charge. Brand says 4 hours it will give the lighting, but during our testing with the lower level LED lighting, it lasts for 3 hours. So that is quite impressive, I think. It has many uses, guys, and very easy to carry anywhere. So it's bright enough to deal with the dark, and it is a splash proof as well. So the small rains, water droplets, it will not harm the device, but don't immerse with water. And it is useful for many ways, for fishing, hiking, camping, emergency, roadside maintenance, or multi-purpose work, etc. That's all in this video. If you like, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified the future videos on time. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. Next interesting video.